Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute, but it's really nice to be back. This video is what I packed for our recent city visit to Paris in the heat of the summer. Really, it's my golden rule formula for how I pack for all city visits that are about a week long. Needless to say, this time the emphasis was on keeping cool while wanting to be as chic as possible, while also wanting to be not trying too hard, making it fun, choosing my favorite bits and pieces, and really enjoying our trip away, which I think we did pretty successfully. I mentioned my formula. I'll be listing the formula that I use in the summertime, and I've found that it's worked for years and years, so I wanted to share it with you today. It has things like numbers of tops, numbers of bottoms, but it also has the types of outfits that I find both make me happy and make me feel beautiful while I'm on a city visit. So with that, let's get started with outfit number one. Now this outfit may surprise you. It's a brown linen CO-ORD outfit. Brown is a surprise for the summer. I don't think I used to think that brown linen was something that I would enjoy for the summer, but here it is. I chose it because it's been one of my most complimented outfits that I've worn this spring and early summer. It makes me feel a little bit chic, a little bit different. It's really playful, which I love when I'm on holiday. As you can see, it's a linen crossover halter top paired with some harem-like pants. It's great because when I wore flats with it, flat sandals, I could just walk and walk and walk endlessly all around Paris. And then I just change up the shoes at nighttime, adding a little kitten heel, and I'd feel just that little bit more dressed. So comfortable for day wear, hopefully chic for an evening wear, and then to make sure I get the most out of every piece that hits the suitcase, I also brought with me a plain white linen blouse. I always bring that. It's one of my standard formula pieces, and it looked fabulous with these brown trousers. So it gave me an opportunity to be a little more casual, a little more ordinary. Also, if it was super sticky hot, the white linen shirt is hard to beat. Outfit number two is what I like to refer to as summer tailoring. Emphasis on the tailoring, of course, we're including a really useful, comfortable linen blend black blazer. This one has a great strong shoulder, which I particularly love, and it's paired with white linen blend Bermuda shorts. Love shorts and a blazer. You're looking tailored, you're looking put together, but you're super comfortable. In this particular image, there's a bit of a lacy bodysuit, but if bodysuit is not for you, oh my goodness, your favorite t-shirts work beautifully. 100% linen tee, 100% cotton tee, something super comfortable, maybe a solid color, the same color as the jacket, or maybe it's an opportunity for you to add a pattern that you love, a stripe or a delicate geometric. I especially love the fact that we've now changed up the jewelry. So here's an opportunity for us to wear silver. When I pack, I always pack a gold pair and a silver pair. What I mean by that is a pair of earrings and a bangle or two in gold and in silver. I only ever take costume jewelry. I really don't want to worry about the worst that could possibly happen when you're traveling. Before we hit outfit number three, if you're enjoying this video, please hit the subscribe button. If you find as you're watching the video that you really enjoy it, it's fun, or maybe you learned something even better, give it a like. It's so appreciated, and it really allows us to make better and better content. Thanks. I always include one skirt. And often I find I really appreciate it if it's a khaki color or a tan or a beige, a good old-fashioned neutral, so that I have so many options of tops that will look great with this skirt. This skirt is new in my collection for the summer. It has great pleats that are stitched down. It's a cotton lyocell blend, so it doesn't wrinkle. which, you know, it's not easy to find things that are beautiful that don't wrinkle in the summertime. I love it because it's comfortable. I love a skirt that has a bit of a twirl. You can really wear so many things with it. Here in this image, there's a black one-shoulder top that looks great. Black and khaki, hard to beat. But you could also wear white or navy or cream or even a bold green or a bold blue or bold red. Khaki is one of those colors that just invites all sorts of creativity. The next outfit is one of my golden rules, and that is always take a monochrome black outfit, any season of the year. So what we see here is a Bordeaux top, peplum top, with a pair of black trousers. I love Bordeaux tops. It's one of my favorite things to wear in the summer. And a peplum shaped top makes every woman look as though they have that gorgeous hourglass figure. I certainly don't, but peplum helps me imagine that I might. These two items can of course be beautifully dressed up and dressed down. You can start with no jewelry if you like, and just a simple black sandal. And if you don't have time to change before you zhuzh off to dinner, pop on some jewelry, one of your gold or silver sets, pop on a pretty kitten heel sandal, and maybe, when in Rome, do as the Romans. So when in Paris, wear a scarf, pop on a beautiful oblong scarf. This one is black and cream, has lovely fringe. I think giving a little bit of pattern around the neck is really fun. And of course, tying it in the back means that you're even more beautiful walking out of the room than you were walking in the room. Just one of my favorite things to do. A black outfit is slimming, it's comfortable, it's easy, you're not going to get marks on it that are indelible. And of course, it's really easy to pair each of these two pieces with other pieces in your suitcase. Showing here how the black peplum looks really nice with the white Bermuda shorts that we showed earlier in the video. Always take black monochrome. You'll be so glad you did. Just in case you haven't had a chance to look at some of our scarf videos, I'm going to link them above. We've done one for the summer months and one for the winter months. I love a scarf. I think there's just something so sophisticated about adding a scarf, and you never look like you've tried too hard. The next outfit features white linen blend trousers. You can't have a summer wardrobe without a pair of white linen blend, I think, just because it's a little bit less wrinkly trousers. They just are the most flexible. They're probably the single most important piece every woman should have in her summer wardrobe. And of course they pair with everything. Here we paired it with a lovely striped top and added that black blazer again, really one of the hero pieces of this collection. If you don't love the idea of having the blazer, don't wear it. Wear a scarf maybe, or just white trousers with a really pretty light airy top. That works too. Something about a woman in a pair of white linen blend trousers. I just think it's a classic, elegant look on everyone. And finally, outfit number 6 is I always take one dress. And yes, it may be a dress that needs to be ironed. That doesn't really bother me too much. But if it does you, make sure it's a dress that has some forgiveness vis-a-vis the wrinkle factor. I love having a dress in my suitcase, and I tend to save it for our very last dinner. Often my pop of color as well, as we see in this example. I love orange with a tan in the summer. And of course, it's a Bordeaux top amongst my favorite. So that's it. It's really fun to be back making videos on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. I really always appreciate the time that you spend to watch these videos. Get up, get dressed, be happy. Thanks so much. And thank you, those of you that wrote asking me to return to YouTube. Mwah, special kiss to you. It really is thanks to your kindness that I decided to return to YouTube. So thanks so very much. I hope you're all very, very well.